Hi guys, what's up? It's Disha. Welcome back to my channel. So I'm making a video after a very long time, and obviously in this past few months I've accumulated a lot of products which I'm going to share with you guys. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started with today's video. So the first four products are actually from Nykaa, and these are my Rakhi gifts. I got this from my brothers. So yeah, the first two is this Nykaa's Matte to Last liquid lipstick. The first one is in the shade Madras Kapi, and I love this liquid lipstick because first of all, the shade is really nice and it's really flattering for darker skin tones like mine. And the next one is this Nykaa's Matte to Last liquid lipstick. It's in the shade Gul. If you want a pink color, go for this. This is really nice for, again, darker skin tone girls like me. And yeah, these are the first two products. Okay, so the next two product from Nykaa is this K Beauty eyeshadow, metal eyeshadow stick. This is how the packaging looks like, and I have used this one. It's really nice, and this is in the shade, I don't know, this is in the shade Golden Hour, and this is how it looks like. And the next one is in the shade Starry Night, and this is how it looks like. All the four swatches. This is Golden Hours, Starry Night, this is Madras Kapi, and this one is Gul. I don't think you can see this one better like the Golden Hours, but trust me, it looks amazing on the eyes. So yeah, these are all the swatches of all the four things. Okay guys, so the next three things that I got are from Amazon. So the first thing that I got from Amazon is a mic. This is how it looks like, and it is of really nice quality, very cheap, just for 300 rupees. So if you are someone who is creating content on YouTube, Instagram or somewhere else, then you should have a mic, and just go ahead, buy this one because this was really cheap, just for 300 rupees. And yeah, that's that. Now the next thing I got is this tripod. This is a very chotu tripod, so that I can just keep it anywhere and film videos. और ये थोड़ा सा बड़ा हो जाता है. So yeah, it's nice, and this is also really adjustable. Like you can do it like this, and then there's a hole here so that I can make it horizontal or vertical, whatever I wish. So yeah, this is really nice. This was just for 350 rupees, and it's a really nice deal. Of course, थोड़ा flimsy है, इतने दिन चलेगा नहीं चलेगा, I don't know, but for 350 rupees you can ask for more. So yeah. So the next thing that I got from Amazon for only 300 rupees is this fairy lights, which has attachments जिसमें आप pictures attach कर सकते हैं. This is really nice, but according to the picture that I saw on Amazon, I thought कि बहुत बड़ा आएगा ये, पर ये actually में बहुत छोटा है, क्योंकि आप इसमें सिर्फ 10 pictures attach कर सकते हैं, and I thought कि at least I'll be able to attach 20 to 25 pictures, but no, it's nothing like that. It's very choto, as you can see, and obviously it operates on battery, so you have it here जिसमें आपको 3 batteries लगेंगी. This was for 300 rupees, which was pretty disappointing because I thought that I'll get a bigger version of this. But the next product that I got from a random store over here is this cosmetic jewelry storage sort of a thing, which looks something like this. It was for 300 rupees, but you can definitely get a bigger version of this for a cheaper price. Like I have seen it on Amazon for 260 rupees, so you can buy it from there. And yeah, I'll put the link in the description box अगर मुझे मिला तो. But this is how it looks like. It will not contain a lot of products, but again, it's pretty nice. It's okay for my mom, you know, if you want to gift it to your moms or someone else who doesn't use a lot of product, you can give this. And it was for 300 rupees, but again, go on Amazon, बहुत सस्ता है वहाँ पे. Now coming on to the last two products that I have from Myntra and Flipkart are a clothing item and a shoes. So the clothing item that I have from Myntra is this skirt which has pleats all over it. I know you must have seen this on Instagram, on a lot of bloggers and YouTubers. A lot of people wear these, but I thought that, like, I am not much into these midi skirts, but I thought it looks good, so I'll just give it a try. This is from Myntra, and I got this for just 600 rupees. There was a sale going on. Guys, so the next product that I got from Flipkart is... Dun -dun! Okay, these are transparent heels. Again, late into the game, but it's okay. It was very cheap. It was just for 600, 620 or 30 rupees only. And yeah, this is a 3.5 inch heel, and it looks really pretty. Like, it's really, really pretty. Only that it is a little uncomfortable. But yeah, that's fine because for 630 rupees you can't expect more. So yeah, this is also really nice. I'll link it in the description down below. It has two colors, so एक golden straps में भी आता है. That is also really beautiful. And yeah, I'll link it in the description again. So this was the haul. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, then you know what to do. Like, share, comment, subscribe, and yeah, I shall see you in my next video. Bye.